Hello, I am Tuomo Tuikka from VTT, and I will now explain to you the DSSC Starter Kit. The Starter Kit is our first asset, already delivered for the first time in 2022 for the community of practice to reflect on what kind of approach is the most beneficial from the starting data spaces ecosystem point of view. It is an easy introduction to data spaces, what they are, some vocabulary to enter to this data spaces universe, and also about the data spaces support center, its assets and their role. Therefore, it provides a pathway for emerging data spaces to understand these instruments which are helping to build data spaces. The document is meant for data space designers, data producers, data consumers, providers of intermediary services or services and business applications, so anyone who needs a starting point in order to plan for data space development. Now, we are in the third iteration of the material and following the steps that the rest of the assets are making, thus keeping the document aligned both from vocabulary and offering points of view. But let's delve into the content briefly. We start with explaining the basic concepts. What is the definition of a data space, for example, and refer to DSSC glossary as the central point for what is the essential terminology. We explain all the assets using a graph, which shows also their relationships. Assets like building blocks, blueprint, co-creation methods, standards, glossary, network of stakeholders, and so on. Very useful is also a startup checklist, which is asking many relevant questions like, how does the data space create value? Who are the key stakeholders? What is the business and governance model adopted by the data space? What legal aspects to consider? What is the operational governance framework, and so on. We present legal mapping to explain what are the relationships between different regulatory instruments, and also introduce design approach to support design of data spaces using the blueprint and building blocks. Furthermore, we discuss business models and introduce Business Model Radar as a tool to facilitate multiple organizations' value creation. Finally, there's a list of various resources useful for the reader. As we now update the material all the time to align with the recent developments, also additions are made, and here are some examples of these additions. Surely glossary checking is done using the latest building blocks overview that we have been progressing with, and adding some pages about interoperability, especially explaining data interoperability, intra-data space interoperability, and cross-data space interoperability. I wish you enjoyable moments with the starter kits, and go ahead with your data space journey.